Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the time warp scan filter on TikTok. Very, very easy to do. So we're just going to go over to the TikTok application and open that up. Once we're on the TikTok application, you want to go to your Discover tab and go to the top where the search bar is and just search for time, space warp, space scan, just like this. And then we're going to go over to videos. And then this is going to show us all the videos using the time warp scan filter. So we're just going to click on any one of them. And then once you find a video with a time warp filter on it, you want to click on it right above the person's username, click on the yellow thing, and then you'll be able to add it to your favorites. Once it's added to your favorites, you can then go ahead and make videos whenever you would like. It's very, very easy to do. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get this filter. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.